court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine.
Welcome back to the courtroom. Today we're diving into the case of State of Texas versus Jacqueline Wells, a woman battling probation violations, addiction, and the very real possibility of losing her freedom and her children. But here's the twist. The judge isn't just deciding her fate. He's weighing whether prison or treatment could save her life. Stick around because the emotional stakes in this case are sky high.
Probation, this is an application. Court is calling 2025 CR 008222 State versus Brianna Gonzalez. Can I have parties announced?
Jason Garahan for the state, Your Honor.
Todd Lessard for Brianna Gonzalez.
And are you Miss Gonzalez?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Gonzalez, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
Ms. Gonzalez, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with robbery? That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, counsel, if you can hand me that trial court certification back. I thought you all had an agreement on the resolution. Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do, Your Honor.
Ms. Gonzalez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea, if you're not a U.S. citizen, you could be deported, not allowed to re-enter into the United States and denied naturalization?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at a cap of 6 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine. The state is silent on your applications. There's to be restitution of $2,000 to the complainant. They will take in consideration 2025 CC 003927. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, are there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, there's to be no contact with the complainant. Did you understand that's a recommendation from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty?
This
or no
moment is huge. Jacqueline Wells admits she thought she was simply time served when she got out of jail. That confusion reveals a critical gap. Did the system fail to explain, or did she ignore the conditions? The judge's sarcasm, "Oh, happy day, I'm released, I'll live my life," isn't just harsh. It's a reminder that probation isn't freedom, it's a contract. What do you think? Was Wells genuinely confused or using it as an excuse?
Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Contest.
State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor. State Exhibit number 1 with all of its attachments.
No objections.
State you may be excused.
Thank you.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Counsel, it's for a PSI and a TAP. It's
Yeah.
about 8 to 12 weeks. If you want to wait for that, you can. Or if you would like to just present whatever witnesses you want to present and come back in a shorter time, we can do that as well.
I think that would be preferable, Your Honor. She's enrolled in high school and she also has a job waiting for her. And so we're trying to get this behind her as quickly as possible.
All right. So then I'm going to be gone next week. And then the following week, I will be serving jury duty. So I can bring you back that second week, but Judge Angelini will be hearing it, or either I can bring you back to the third week and I will hear it.
Let's do second week's fine, Judge. No offense to you, Angelina.
No,
But
that's-
the quicker the quicker the better.
All right.
Yeah.
Ms. Ferguson,
Yes, sir.
next week.
Number 8.
This is the turning point. The judge lays it bare. 10 months behind bars, counting the days until relapse, or a chance at treatment through felony drug court. It's a gamble with her life and her children's future on the line. Notice how the judge doesn't sugarcoat it. He warns that relapse could mean death. Would you take the hard road of treatment, knowing the struggle, or the certainty of jail time where freedom is delayed but relapse feels inevitable?
And your plea on that was a no contest plea, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you. All right, so we'll bring you back on September 8th.
Is it a PSI or just sentencing?
No, it's just sentencing. They waived PSI and TAP evaluation.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Now, I can tell you with regards to that, maybe Angelini will hear it, maybe he will not hear it since the PSI has been waived, but,
Oh,
We
well,
will
if
see.
you think that's a risk, then maybe.
well, I
we'll-
mean, I don't know. So we'll have it.
Well, if he
brought
does,
back.
if he doesn't hear it, then we can just do it next week.
Yes.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes. All right, Gustavo Jimenez.
Yesterday, he didn't appear yesterday, but I didn't know who even was recent today. I don't have no copy.
Hello, Mr. Jimenez.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Oh, I'm doing great. So your attorney filed a motion, the court has signed it.
Oh, great, Judge. The motion for sanity?
Yes.
Okay. yes.
So what I'm going to do, I'm going to reset you for 45 days. If the examination comes back before then I'll call you back before then, okay? With regards to the motion your client has filed, because of the type of motion, I can't go forward on this case until that's completed. You understand? All right, I need a 45-day reset.
45 days. I can do October 6th.
That works for me, Your Honor.
All right, so we'll bring you back on October 6th, but again, if your attorney gets information for us sooner, he'll let us know. We'll bring you back sooner. All right, thank you. Do you have any questions about anything? All right.
I want to say that I passed the DRB test,
Oh.
the dangerous review,
Mhm.
board test and stuff.
Oh, that's good.
I was
You know, I
about
used to do a lot of mental health cases, so that's a great step.
I gave a couple piano concerts over there too.
Oh,
I'm a
wow.
concert pianist,
So you play, oh my gosh, so what classical?
classical, rock, everything.
Oh my gosh, okay, once you're released and when you're back in society, wherever you're playing at, you let me know, I'll show up.
Well, I wanna go back to be a choir director at church. I used to do that too.
Oh, wow. Well, let me just tell you, you can get that.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
Oh, you too.
And there you have it. Jacqueline Wells is spared prison for now. Instead, she's referred to felony drug court, given a shot at treatment, and her probation extended 2 years. This case shows the fine balance between punishment and rehabilitation in our justice system. The judge's decision wasn't just about the law. It was about giving one more chance to a mother fighting addiction. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns